Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting air pollution. Air pollution is a major global public health issue. Air pollution is caused due to the introduction of harmful gases, toxic elements, allergens, etc. in the air. Air pollution highly affects the qualities of air, making it dangerous for the human survival. Industrial vehicular emission and volcanic eruption are few causes of air pollution. The highly polluted air can also affect the planet and vacation of the region. Major causes of air pollution is anthropogenic. It is man-made activities. Smoke, a type of air pollutant. It causes irritation in eye, throat, damage to lungs, and even lead to asthma attacks. Greenhouse gases emitted from industries and vehicles gave rise to global warming, which is a threat to the Earth ecosystem. It has become important to take drastic steps to fight and prevent pollution before it takes the face of the monster. Reduction of burning fossil fuels, use of electronic vehicles, reforestation, etc. can reduce air pollution to a major extent. Harnessing renewable sources of energy like solar, water and wind energy helps to keep the environment clean and healthy. Air pollution consists chemical or particles in the atmosphere that poses serious health and environmental threats. But what causes air pollution and what does it mean for our planet? Some air pollution comes from natural sources like volcanic eruption, wind fires or allergens. But most air pollution results from human activities such as energy and it is agriculture. There are different types of human-made air pollution. When we burn fossil fuels to product energy, they release greenhouse gases into the air. These emissions such as carbon dioxide, methane, methane oxide and furable gas trap heat from the sun in air atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperature. This created a cyclic where air pollution contributed to climate change.